can't wait to cook me some tasty treats. Yeah, grab the old frying pan on the stove. All right, turn the gas on. There we go. What? Oh no. Out of gas. I'm not cooking with gas today. Well, looks like I gotta go get some. Well, let's pull you out. All right. Replace this bad boy. So, take it off. You gotta twist it counterclockwise. Make sure that is tight. Transport you to the propane lady where you gotta go. Back of the bike. Time to go see propane lady. So the one thing about riding around on Samui all the time, you must be aware of all the time. It's very slippery, the bikes. You grab that front brake, down you go. Especially if you're carrying something like that. Go ring up the propane lady. She's not there, but the sister lives across the street.
Government.
Oh, government tax, okay.
20 baht.
20 baht, huh?
Yeah.
20 baht, boy. Okay, so
Now I got
so now so ถ้าได้นุ่งใหญ่
อันนี้ฮะ
460 huh?
460 ค่ะ
And then 20 tax.
20 บาท
Yeah.
20.
ได้ยกเลยนะไว้
So it's like 460 baht. Oh, the government strikes everywhere.
Government.
Oh, brutal. Okay, ครับผมครับ ไปแล้วcha-cha. Well, it's gonna be a bit of fun. Taking this big bad boy home so I can start cooking with gas. ครับผมครับ Okay, so I got it home, all safe and sound. How to get it from here up in there. So I put this on top of that, like so. Pop off that safety cap. You gotta get your connector. So you get it on, it goes clockwise. Whoa. Yeah, it does make a little hiss like that when you put it in, so don't be alarmed like I just was. Should know this by now. I've been doing it for donkey's years. And what I do to make it last a lot longer, who knows, but I shut the valve off after every time I use it. Something I like to do is mark canister. Usually these big canisters here, cooking every day, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times, sometimes cooking, you know, when I'm trying to boil kidney beans and stuff like that, which takes hours. I still get about 6 to 7 to 9 months out of these over the years. That's what and the date always lets me know, because I'm going to forget about it 9 months down the road. All right, so let's turn the gas on and let's fire this bad boy up. Now we're cooking with gas. Here's my little wild cat, who I've named Kitty Cat. She's really strange. Well, let's see if she'll eat this piece of fish. Kitty Cat. I don't think she likes the GoPro pointing at her. No. Let's microwave it a bit. See if she likes that. 30 seconds should do it. Well, it doesn't take long for that cyclotron to do its work. There it does. Fish. Let's See if it attracts little old kitty cat. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come here, bro. No, it's not that hot, and she won't eat it if it's really hot. Kitty cat, come on. Oh. Time for some vittles. Chicken breast is done. Vegetable rice medley is done. And that didn't take very long at all. Super simple, easy to make, and ultra healthy for you. No additives or anything. All natural. And the oil used was coconut oil. It's my favorite oil. It's all I use these days is coconut oil. I even stopped using olive oil. And the only thing I'm putting on this is all you ever really need. Kikkoman. And if you're out there listening, Kikkoman, I would highly endorse you any day, time of the year. No problem whatsoever. Send me as many bottles as you can. I live on this stuff. I love it. A little healthy, little. It's about a tablespoon, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. And of course this ultra cool pepper. Got a light on it so you know what you're doing. You put the black pepper, fresh black ground pepper. Nothing like fresh black ground pepper. Pepper, pepper, pepper. All over everything. Just turn it black. Oh, the pepperine in this is another very, very good natural healthy thing for you. Pepperine. And so there you have it. And the breast is cooked just nice. Not too dry at all. Especially if it's right off the. Let's just try another bit of this here now for you. Oh yeah. Delicious. Delicious. And that, my friends, is cooking with gas. Koh Samui style. Aroy. Mac mac.
Hey, what's over there?
What?
What are you doing?
Well, I'm editing the video.
Say the words.
No problem. Keeping it real in Thailand.